guys, welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this one. A couple days ago, I picked up the Revolution Pro HD highlighting kit. There are 15 highlighters in here. 15! And I mean, it ranges from anywhere from like a champagne color to this really vibrant purple to more of like a bronzy color here. And I haven't even touched these yet because I knew I wanted to do a first impressions video. So we are gonna do swatches. I'm gonna let you know what I think. I haven't used a lot of Revolution's products before. I do have their eyeliner and I do really like this a lot. This is a felt tip eyeliner and I've been using this for a few weeks. I thought that I would check this out. I believe it was about $20. So let's just go ahead and play. I'm gonna start with the first row here, right up here. So here is Holding. These are a little bit on the powdery side. And the second one here is Rich. They are a little dusty. This third one here is Bird. Ooh, wow, that's really pretty. This would be pretty as an eyeshadow also. This one is Lush. That's more of like a rosy color. I really like that. These are like blushes, right? I think these are baked highlights, but I think you can use them as blushes and bronzers as well. And this last one here is Whistle. So that one's pretty sheer. So this is the first row. Okay, and now we are going to swatch the second row here. This first one is Pearl. Again, these white ones are a little bit on the dusty side, but that's okay as long as they look good on the cheekbones. This is Glisten. That is really pretty. It's not really showing up much on camera. Another rosy color, but with gold in it. This is Call. That is amazing. Wow, so far I'm getting hit and miss. The whiter ones are a little bit dusty, but the ones with the gold in them, I'm noticing look really good. This is O. It's like, it has a shine. It's a little bit more lavendery. And then this is Spicy. That would be a really pretty blush. This is the second row. So now we are going to swatch the third row, which starts here. First one in the third row is called Shady. Oh my word, that is so pretty. This is Hot. We've got Lit. Oh my word, that's so pretty. Then we have Shine. Ooh, I'm surprised by that one. That's a really nice lavender. Can't really see it on camera again, but I do really like that. I'm excited to try that one. Last shade is called Sweet. This is more of a rose gold. Oh my word. That is the third row in the palette. I am the most impressed by that third row, actually. So I think I'm gonna add some of Sweet. I'm gonna add it as blush, like a high blush. Ooh, that's pretty. It's not really my color, but I think it's pretty. I like that. And now let's add a little bit of Lit, which is that really hot pink on the other side. Ooh, dusty, dusty. Holy smokes. First of all, that's a lot, so I'm gonna blend it out some. I like that a lot. That is nice. I'm gonna put some on the other side too to match it up. I really like that. I never would have thought I would be into a hot pink. And I do really like Shady, but I feel like I would use that as an eyeshadow. So I hope those swatches were helpful for you, and if you wanted to pick this up yourself, overall, I think it is worth the 20 bucks because there were several shades in here that I really, really like, and I feel like I would use often as either eyeshadows, highlight. I don't really wear a lot of bronzer, but I feel like that would be really nice as bronzer. And it's just really fun to have some purples and pinks and champagnes and all sorts of different colors. It is slightly dusty, but if you can get over that, I think some of the pigments are really nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up to support me. It really helps and feels really good. But I hope you have an amazing day. Let me know if there are any palettes that you're excited for at the drugstore. I'll see you guys next time.